How to get Temu working coupon codes. Let's get started. First up, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Temu coupon codes and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Temu. So launch any of it. Now in the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Head over to any of the offer, $100 off, 30% off, and many more. Now you're gonna get the code, you can copy it, then you can navigate to the website of Temu or launch your Temu app. Also, you can check out other websites as these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Temu. Once you have got the code, you can launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Temu is already known for its unbelievable low prices, but with the right discount code, your savings can go even further, sometimes to the point of getting items completely free. You can combine a promo code with already discounted items on the Temu app, and the results will be incredible. Your total purchase amount will just drop in few cents, and some products will be entirely free. Temu already offers shockingly low prices, but combining them with a promo code takes it to another level. Once you have selected the items to purchase, you can head over to the checkout page. Now here you're gonna find the option of apply coupon code. Click on that, and over here you can paste a code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. So this is how you can get Temu coupon code. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.